Welcome to Informatica support videos. Today we're going to take a look at the Informatica Cloud Hosted Agent and how it compares with the On Prem Secure Agent. The agenda for this video is as follows. We're going to see what exactly is the Informatica Cloud Hosted Agent. We'll see how it differs from a normal On Prem Secure Agent, followed by a demo and a short summary. Now, coming to what exactly is the Informatica Cloud Hosted Agent, it's a runtime environment that is managed by Informatica Cloud Data Integration. One can configure the tasks or use this runtime environment to run the data integration tasks. This is a license feature and it requires your organization to have the cloud runtime license. For any license related information, please reach out to your account representative or customer success manager. As mentioned, Informatica Cloud Data Integration manages this hosted agent, so one cannot add or delete this or make any configuration based changes. The hosted agent can run synchronization, mapping, and replication tasks that use certain kinds of connectors. One more point to note is that the hosted agent cannot run mapping tasks that are based on elastic mappings. Now let's see how it differs from a normal on-premise secure agent. The normal secure agent is installed on a machine that's completely managed by you, whether it's a machine that's inside your organization or you might have taken a virtual machine on a cloud provider. In that case, you download the Informatica Secure Agent and install it on that machine. Then you got set it up so that it connects to your IICS organization and you can use that runtime environment to run your tasks. In the case of a hosted agent, one cannot configure the runtime environment in the same way as a on-prem secure agent. The on-prem secure agent can run tasks that use all kinds of connectors, whereas the hosted runtime environment supports only certain kinds of connectors, as we had mentioned. One more point to keep in mind is that when you're running tasks with the hosted agent, it's necessary to make sure that the source and target systems that you are connecting to are accessible publicly or accessible at least to the hosted agent so that it can connect to your source or target systems to fetch or write data. Let's take a quick look at a demo for this. In this demo, I have logged into an IICS organization that has the cloud hosted agent enabled. We can see that in the list of runtime environments, the Informatica Cloud Hosted Agent shows up and you can see the data integration server running. Unlike the other agents here, you don't have a drop down on the left so that you can make configuration changes. For the purposes of discussion, I've taken a sample mapping with a single source and target. In one of the connections, I have chosen the Amazon Redshift v2 connector, and since I want it to be run on the Informatica Cloud Hosted Agent, after filling in all the relevant details, I have selected the runtime environment as the Informatica Cloud Hosted Agent. Doing the same for your source and your target, one can create a mapping task and choose the runtime environment as the Informatica Cloud Hosted Agent. This can be done from the mapping level as well if you run it directly. However, this procedure is the same. Choose the Informatica Cloud Hosted Agent as a runtime environment. For the purposes of this demo, I've already run this mapping and we see that it succeeded in writing the data. Let's take a look at the summary now. The documentation for the Informatica Cloud Hosted Agent can be found below. The above link also provides a list of the supported connectors. However, I do recommend you take a look at the documentation for the individual connectors to know the supportability for the same. We appreciate any feedback on this. Thank you.